Hello, my name is Luis Estrada and I am a software developer. In this video, I'll show you how to edit pictures to make teeth whiter. I am using Adobe Photoshop CS2. Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe, a company to which I have no affiliation. Locate the Dodge tool on the toolbar menu. This is the main tool we will use to create the perfect and beautiful smile like the one at the bottom part of the picture. The Dodge tool simply makes any part of the picture brighter. Select a soft, round brush from the menu. If you work with a solid brush, the edges of where the brush didn't go over will be clearly visible. This takes the natural look out of the picture. Select a brush size according to the size of each tooth. In the range option, select midtones, and in the exposure, select 40 or 50%. Zoom in as much as you can to work on each tooth. Click on the tooth and without releasing the mouse button, move around the tooth evenly. The amount of time you need to whiten each tooth depends on the exposure level used and the original color of the teeth. If you see that it takes too long to get a nice color, you can increase the exposure to 70%. On the other hand, if you get an exaggerated white color, you may reduce the exposure level to 30 or 20%. I'll zoom out to see the difference. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just shown you how to edit your digital images.